What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Carter, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you are hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that bell notification icon so you get alerted each and every time I make an upload. And if you guys want to check me out off of YouTube, go over to my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter for all things my life as Will Carter. I will also link it in the description box down below for easy, convenient access. And I also keep forgetting to tell you how to like this video too, because that needs to be part of like the whole thing. I gotta rework the script. I had already learned her from doing this for so long. I'd be forgetting to include her in, but like it too because it helps the algorithm, something like that. Okay guys, so I really just want to get this out of the way because I definitely have a problem. We went shopping again and bought shoes from some stores. Okay, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video for three new pairs of designer shoes that I got from Versace, Balmain, and Dior. Oh, did I buy it in that order? Sort of. But we're gonna unbox them so that I can finally put them away because they've been kind of sitting in the bags and boxes, and yeah, they're taking up too much space, okay? First on the list of shoes that I bought are a new pair of high tops from Versace. Here they are. I love the black bag. So cute. My motto is don't ever walk into a store if you're not walking out with something, because girl, why'd you go in the first place? I don't believe in window shopping, but you lying. Girl, the notification is real today. I am popular. So as always, you guys already know how the shoes go, so I'm not gonna do too much with the packaging and stuff, but of course, I always find it interesting how some designers give you one dust bag and others give you one for each shoe. I always prefer one for each shoe. It's just a thing. I just like having one for each. So these are the La Grecas, I'm saying that wrong, varsity high top sneakers. All right, hold on. And you'll understand the varsity vibe in a minute because they have it's all white. I don't think it comes in any other color, but oh no, I think it does, but whatever. So I got all white, and it has the name Versace on it, but it's definitely, this patch here is definitely varsity vibes. Those varsity jackets and all that. They actually have a varsity jacket that kind of resembles this logo so much. I saw it in the store and tried it on. I'm going back for it. I'm a size 41.5 with Versace, which is it's so weird because some designers I'm a 42, some I'm a 41. With that, I'm a 41.5. Girl, pick. Come on, feet. Underneath the shoe, you can actually spell out Versace. But what's even cooler is right over here where the heel is. It's fucking Medusa head that. It's you would never know that unless you're really paying attention, and that I think that detail is super cool. So definitely wouldn't wear this as much because it's white and you don't want to get it messed up, but you know me, I'm a white bitch. I love anything white. Fuck her up, bitch. It's called bleach and dry cleaners. So technically I did go to Balmain first, but they didn't have the shoes I wanted in my size, so they had to order my size from the Miami location. So because I was really upset that I couldn't get the Balmain shoes that day, I was really sad. So I said, you know what, to make myself feel better, let's go right across the street, literally, and let's go to Dior, and I ended up getting shoes from Dior. So we're gonna unbox the Dior's next. Dior's bag is probably one of my favorites. I think I talked about this with I think the Vuitton bag, how I like how it's not just a regular cardboard bag and it's kind of textured feel. This is another one of those bags that has that really cool rigid texture. It's actually kind of snake-ish, scaly. It's really cool. And then it has this metal star that they put on the handles. This is really cute. I don't want to get rid of, well, I usually don't get rid of the bags, but it's super cute. And the shoebox looks exactly like the bag, with that same scaly bug texture. It's definitely giving bug. This has this really cool opening here, which helps unboxing. Like, you also only get one bag for these, but I feel like these shoes are really small. Like, they're not like bulky. I feel like the Versace is like kind of bulky-ish. These are like kind of like Converse shaped, or at least in like structure. So I feel like one bag would work for these, so that's okay. Oh wait, I'm lying. There's totally, oh no, which one? These are the laces. So these are the B23 high top sneakers. They come in a couple of different colors. This is the white and navy color, if I'm not mistaken. And I've had my eyes on these for a while, but there was a few other shoes I wanted to get first. But I'm glad I went to Dior when I did with all those ridiculous childish emotions, because in that store, the Fifth Avenue location, they only had 2 pairs left. So I'm glad, or at least in my size. So I'm really, really glad that like I went in and got it when I did, because then I would have been like, bitch, where are we ordering these from? Miami, LA, Vegas, where, bitch? Even Aspen has a Dior location. So tell me. These are probably one of my favorites out of like my entire growing designer shoe collection, because, you know, even though they're structured like Converse and I don't tend to like the whole Converse silhouette, it's just something about these that I like. I kind of like this weird, you know, kind of like plastic layer on top of it. I don't know what material it is, girl, but we're gonna call it plastic. You know, the little kind of like seam going up. It reminds me of like that seam that Sarah Jessica Parker has on her SJP shoe line. It's kind of cute also. The Dior sign, you know, on like the sides here, you know, the Dior, you know, kind of like monogram is very like classic. And then underneath, you know, these weird bugs. I don't remember like bugs being a part of the like Dior like face. Girl, when did that happen? These are so cute, it's like one of my favorites. And then finally, after waiting one business day, because they overnighted, I did get the shoes from Balmain in the right size. So let's unbox this. This bag, it's almost identical to the Givenchy bag, like the all white, and then like how they have like the words printed. And it's like the same material, same quality, like it's like the exact same bag. It's like the weirdest thing. But the difference is Givenchy, they would kind of like close your bag like this. Like they'll close your bag like this with a little tape. Balmain, they tie it with like an extra ribbon. I know that's like stupid little details, but like those kind of details matter to me. I don't know why it does, it just does, bitch, okay? I mean, for like $900 of shoes, bitch, like those details better matter. The box is so cute. Yeah. Okay, so once again, I get only one travel bag, dust bag, call it whatever you want to fucking call it. These are the monogram Jacquard B Court high top sneakers. It's a long name for these, but that's what it is, bitch. I absolutely fucking love these. They also have these in low tops. Now, I know that like every single shoe that I've ever unboxed, from all the way back to my Christian Louboutin shoe box, to the Buscemis, to the ones I unboxed before, and then up till now, every single shoe has been high tops. I'm a high top bitch, fucking Sudi ho. But seriously, like if you're not into high tops, I love these. They have this in the low top version, so go get it. On the back, it spells out Balmain, super cute. Also here, they actually have like individual letters. Like these are like individual letters that like they glue onto the back of the shoe, and it says Balmain. And when I talk about attention to detail, you don't even see like glue residue on the back of the shoe. Like it's so like, oh my God, the details are so meticulous. Like you don't see any like glue residue or anything like that. And it's like, bitch, be careful, because if any of these letters pop the fuck off, I'll be a mad bitch if I can't find it and glue it back. I will glue it back on my fucking self if a letter pops off. So don't lose it. And then of course, on the bottom, we have the, you know, says Balmain on the bottom too. It's like, you know, look, everybody can't do red soles. So we're like, we'll put our name, okay? What's up, guys? Will Carter from the future. Okay, so the video you guys are watching obviously is already filmed, and I went afterwards, after filming it, and decided to buy another pair of shoes because it caught my fucking eye, bitch. So I wanted to also include it in this video as well, so I decided to jump in. Future Will Carter, and unbox that shoe in this video as well. I decided to go and get a pair of shoes from Burberry. These are really cute. I can't wait to open this for you guys. Let's talk about like how cute the bag is. It's like, it's as cardboard gets, but I love the color. And the like handles is just soft, like, it's so cute. And then like they tie everything together like this. It's like so cute. It's like a ribbon. I love these, you know, all the like cute attention to like detail. Like this type of stuff is so cute. Like I would keep this. Girl, bow tie, bitch, stop. And the, oh, hold on. Let's see. This is just obviously as per usual. They're gonna put the receipt in this cute little thing here, which is just like what they do. Okay, we do not want to show you guys how much I paid for these, although you can go online and look for yourself. The shoe box is cute. I love the color of it. It says Burberry London, England on it. Okay. Oh, the inside is green. Y'all see that color? This is so cute. Hold on. Look at the inside color. It's just gorgeous in here. Every pair of designer shoe comes with like one of these like shoe care packets that kind of tell you like how to like care for the shoes, because they are delicate. They're not sports shoes. So like the wear and tear is a little bit more, you know, these are a lot more fragile, right? So they'll tell you, bitch, don't go play tennis with these. Why does it smell so fucking good? I love the, I was not expecting the travel bag to be green. Like I was not expecting this color. I was expecting it to be in the Burberry monogram. Like that's what I was expecting. These are the shoes. They're so cute. These are the Burberry vintage check cotton high top sneakers. These are so cute. I think they only come in this color. And I wanted these because it's the quintessential, I love that word. Why do I always say that word? It's like the quintessential, like, it's like the quintessential Burberry monogram. So like, girl, stop. And then like even, you know, on the back, it spells out Burberry here. It's really cute. Even here on like the lip, you can see Burberry. The insides, I'm a size 41, sometimes a 42, depends on the designer, you know. Okay, underneath it is kind of cute, says Burberry here, really cute. I think this shoe feels a lot more sturdy than the Christian Dior's. I actually wore them today when I went shopping for these. And I felt that they were super comfortable, but I felt they were a lot more delicate on my feet. I felt very cautious walking in them, whereas I haven't walked in these, but just feeling them, they feel very very comfortable. Oh, and super cool too, the inside is very loud. I don't know how much you can see that, but it's very loud. It's like, bitch, we want you to know what you're slipping your foot into. So okay, now that we've opened up the Burberrys, let's kind of like go back into the past, because this is future Will Carter, and finish up this video. Bye-bye. And there you guys have it, my little unboxing for my latest little splurge. Look guys, I do have a little bit of a problem, but listen, this is the reason why I do a lot. You know, this is why I work. But I just want to make it clear, please make sure that you are spending responsibly. I do not live beyond my means. I spend responsibly. I spend what I can afford. Okay, I'm not, okay? Because I may spend lots of money on shoes, but I also spend lots of money in the stock market, okay? So he invests very well. And now that we're here at the end of this video, if you haven't done so already at the beginning of the video, but it's okay, you can do it now, it's not too late. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, and also like this video. Go over and follow me over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter for all things my life as Will Carter. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful good morning, a beautiful good afternoon, and a beautiful good night, whichever part of the world you are living in. Bye, I'll see you guys on the next video.